Yeah, let's go outside for a minute. I just want to grab my wallet. Yes. Beautiful apparatus. Look at that. That is a beast. I've never seen one like that before. That is a modern fire truck if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
It's like an ambulance fire truck hybrid.
Right?
Hey! Yay! Ladder 1! Beautiful. All right, I'm going to stop and get a picture. Hello! Yeah. Oh, thank you, Woolwich. Small town, big fire department. Wow, I love the instrument panel. Yes, zoom in on that puppy. Oh, look at that beautiful retro engine. Engine 3 Pittsburgh. I want one, sweetie.
No, I'm gonna get you. Look at these badass motherfuckers.
Heck yeah. I want one of those too.
You got it, guys.
I want the fire truck mostly though. Ooh, you got the West Bath Fire Department coming up next and their white retro rigs.
It's so nice when they smile because they're like, oh, I just don't want to do this.
Yeah, a lot of them look like, oh, it's raining, it's miserable out, I don't want to be here, but their smile says otherwise.
Yep.
DeLoreans, I think. Oh, this is beautiful. It's rare to see a white fire truck.
Beautiful.
Yeah, wow. Gorgeous. You know the big difference between the older fire trucks and the new ones? The new ones have a stripe that goes right across the side. The old ones don't usually have that.